Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside WhatsApp. Open the three-dot menu on Android or tap Settings on iPhone and head straight to Account then Privacy. You do this because call permissions and blocked contacts live under account controls. Once there, glance at blocked contacts and call settings to see whether the person is already blocked or if Do Not Disturb rules apply. Now tap Blocked Contacts and be ready to add a number, since blocking a contact prevents both messages and audio calls from getting through. Once you're viewing the contact or chat, tap their name at the top and scroll down to Block Contact, confirm when prompted. This is the direct, immediate way to stop audio calls. If you prefer, go back to Privacy, Blocked Contacts, and use Add to select the person from your list. You do this because blocked users cannot initiate calls or messages to you, which is the most reliable built-in control. Make sure you confirm the block and return to the call screen to verify their call option is gone. To finish, consider phone-level backups. Deny WhatsApp microphone permission or restrict background data to reduce call functionality if blocking isn't enough. You can also enable Do Not Disturb or silence unknown callers to stop interruptions temporarily. If a blocked contact still reaches you, update WhatsApp and restart your phone, then reopen Privacy Blocked Contacts to confirm they remain listed. If problems persist, remove and re-add the block. That refresh often resolves sync glitches between WhatsApp and your contact list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.